Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford Focus using an easy method. First, make sure your key fob has a good battery. This ensures reliable communication with your car. Next, find the ignition button, usually located on the dashboard or the traditional key slot. Remember, a crucial step is to firmly press the brake pedal. This safety measure is required before the engine will engage, preventing accidental movement and ensuring a smooth start every time. For models equipped with a push-button start, the process is straightforward. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, simply press the engine start/stop button. You might need to hold it for a couple of seconds until you hear the engine fully turn over and ignite. Once the engine is running smoothly, you can release the button. This modern convenience makes starting your Ford Focus quick and effortless, getting you on the road in no time. If your Ford Focus uses a traditional key, the steps are equally simple. Insert your key into the ignition cylinder, typically found on the right side of the steering column. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, which powers up the vehicle's electronics. Then, continue turning it to the start position. Hold it there until the engine catches and begins to run, then release the key, allowing it to spring back to the on position. You are now ready to drive. Sometimes, a car might not start immediately. If your engine cranks slowly or doesn't crank at all, check your car's battery. It might need a jump start or replacement. Always ensure your transmission is securely in park or neutral, as a safety interlock prevents starting in other gears. Avoid cranking the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time to protect the starter motor. These simple checks can resolve most starting issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.